Welcome to my brand new training video. In this video, I want to share a complete affiliate business in a box where you can learn and become a super affiliate, a superhero in the affiliate game and make thousands and thousands of dollars in commissions every single month using the internet. Until now, I've been talking about Clickbank. A lot of people have been using Clickbank. They've been trying to make money with Clickbank. It's been months and years and nothing's working for them. What does that mean? You have two options, either give up or either move on. Most people will give up. That's why 99% people fail, because they give up. But what about if you just move on? What about if you try something else? What about if you join another program, another system, and give that a try? You don't know, you might become a millionaire. I know one internet guru who came on Clickbank, tried everything, nothing seemed to work for him. He stayed on Clickbank for a couple of months. Nothing seemed to work for him. Instead of giving up like most people do, he moved on. He tried another program, another system. Guess what? He became a multi-millionaire. All right. And now he's generating multiple 6 and 7 figures a year. So what about if I shared a program where you can learn and use the strategies and method within that program to crush it online with any network out there? Would you be interested? In fact, this program does have an opportunity to earn as well, but it's only invitation. It's invitation only, all right? So you have to be invited. So you will have to wait for that invitation. But in the meantime, you could start going through the training, start implementing the training, and become a super affiliate and start crushing it with other opportunities. I have generated over $100,000 in commissions with this one program, and the training in this program will help you crush it with any opportunities out there. All right, now the link is going to be in the description box below this video. Now, before I share this opportunity, I would like you to subscribe to my YouTube channel. My YouTube channel is all about Clickbank, affiliate marketing, make money online, work from home, lead generation, traffic campaigns, etc., and how to create a real successful internet business from scratch, so you could quit your 9-to-5 job. So if you're interested in one of these topics, make sure you smash the red subscribe button, turn on the notification bell so you get notified whenever I come up with a brand new training video. Leave a comment for me, ask your questions, and don't forget to give me a thumbs up, share this video, like this video, and let's dive into this. All right, so what is the program? The program is called 4%. All right, first I'm going to share my results with you. Now, disclaimer, individual results will vary according to effort. Just because I made this type of money does not mean you're going to make this type of money, or you're going to make any type of money whatsoever. I just don't know you. I don't know what you're going to do. All right, so I'm going to be very blunt with you. All right, now the earning that you're seeing in this program, okay, it's not from the training within this program. I have been in this business for over 12 years and I have a lot of experience. So this earning is through my experience, okay? It's not from the training or from implementing the training which is in this program. But yes, the training within this program will help you break through and become a super affiliate. All right. Okay, so let's go to payouts, and you could see here that lifetime earning is $106,000 in commissions. Now, let me be very clear here. I believe I've made more than $200,000 in commissions with this one program, all right? But because the program's been upgrading, so it went from 4% 1.0 to 2.0, then 3.0, then now it's on 4.0, I guess. And because of that, I think it hasn't reflected all the commissions. So I believe I've made over $200,000 in commissions. But let's just stick to what it says on the website. $106,000 in commissions is a lot of money, my friend. All right? It's a lot of money. Now, most of these commissions came from my email list, which I've already been talking about, right? I've been talking about this in the last couple of days, that you need to build a list. So you need to drive traffic to a page like this, get people to subscribe, and then start sending them emails. All right, so these are people who came into this program through my list. So if you build a list, you could promote different networks, different offers, different opportunities, and you could make thousands of dollars in commissions. All right. Now, disclaimer again, just because I made this money does not mean you're going to make any money. Just because I've been in this business for 12 years, I have a lot of experience, and I'm one of the firm believers in persistent, because persistence is the key to success. When you do something, you just have to keep on doing it, all right, over and over and over and over again. Okay, so I highly recommend joining this program. It's optional, but I highly recommend. The link is going to be in the description box below this video. All right, when you join this program, okay, I do believe they do have a free option to join, so you better check it out. Okay, they have a couple of options in joining the program, and they give you all the perks and peaks what you're going to get when you join this program. But they do have a free option where you can join for free for now and then upgrade later if you want to. Okay, so just check it out. You're going to get a lot of training, a lot of goodies. And let me just tell you, the owner of this program, the creator of this program, is my mentor. All right, what do I mean by that? I mean is I was struggling for years in this internet business, and then when I came across this guy and start watching his videos, following his training, I started to make a lot of money on the internet. All right, and thousands of people have got results from his training. So you can join this program for free. I guess right now while I'm recording this video, I do believe they do have a free option, and then you could upgrade. I do recommend upgrading your account from day one, because you're going to get a lot more tools and resources, and you're going to get so much more goodies and more training. But if you can't afford, or for any reason you just don't want to upgrade, that's fine too. Just you could join for free and then upgrade later on if you want to. All right, and you're going to get so many trainings, so many peaks, and you will able to make thousands of dollars in commissions if you follow the steps with a never giving up attitude and do exactly the way you have been told to do. Another one more thing, this program has a MSI income stream. What does that mean? Multiple streams of income. So you just promote one link and you get paychecks from 5 different programs simultaneously. How cool is that? Okay, so you will have the opportunity to join these multiple streams of income programs where you don't have to promote different products and opportunities individually. You just promote one link and you're making commissions like from 5, 6, 7, 8 different programs all at once, and you're getting paychecks from different angles. All right, so it's a very, very great program, and some of these programs are high ticket commission programs. What do I mean by high ticket? I mean they will pay you anywhere from $300 to up to $1,000 in commissions for a sale. Okay, so it's a very, very good program. I love this program. Okay, I love this program. If I just scroll down, okay, you could see the TrustPilot review is 5-star, my friend. Okay, you could see down here, it's a very, very good program to become a super affiliate, turn your business. And let me ask you this question: how many products have you joined? How many times have you bought a product? How many times have you been jumping from one product to another product to another product to another product and getting nowhere? All right, isn't it time to change everything? Isn't it time to join one program that has everything from A to Z? Watch the videos every single day, follow the videos, follow the instructions, take massive action with a belief system that you can do it, all right, and then start crushing it online. I believe this is the program. All right, take a look at it. The link is going to be in the description box below this video. Click that link, join the program, all right, and go through the training. A lot of people, they watch 2 trainings and then just say, I don't have time. If you don't have time, that means you don't have a business mindset. And if you don't have a business mindset, you're not going to get business results. I see so many people, they join programs, they just leave the training on the side and they don't even watch any training. They don't watch any video. They don't take any action. They're expecting money to fall in their lap. It doesn't work like that, my friend. All right? If Jeff Bezos and Bill Gates just sat on the side waiting for that money to sit on their lap, they would be living in poverty. They hustled. They went all in. They created a never giving up attitude. All right, and they invested billions to make billions. A big thing in business is you need to learn how to invest. You need to get that mindset right. Business, risk, take risk. Learn how to invest in yourself, in systems, in programs, in education, in your mindset. Because when you invest, you make more and more and more money. All right. So the link is going to be in the description box below this video. I thought I would create this quick video. If you have been trying Clickbank for so many months and years and nothing is seeming to work, then you just have two options: either give up or either move on. Giving up is not an option. Move on. Try something else. Okay. There are so many programs and opportunities on the internet. And I would give the name to you as well, but I just don't want to. Otherwise, I could give you those names, those top guru names, who came to Clickbank, who tried Clickbank for months. It didn't work for them. And they just went and joined another opportunity. And it was an MLM, like a MLM opportunity. And they crushed it. They became millionaires. All right. So you just have to move on. Okay. You just can't just keep on trying. Oh, I've been trying on Clickbank for 2 years and it's nothing is seeming to work. This is all rubbish. This is all a scam. No. It's not a scam. It's just luck. Okay. It's not working for you. Move on. Try something else. All right. Just imagine I stick to Clickbank. Okay. I've crushed it on Clickbank. Okay. I've made thousands and thousands of dollars in the past with Clickbank. But just say, for example, all right, I stick to Clickbank and I didn't go for another opportunity, another program. Would I make this $106,000 in commissions only? No. I could give you more examples. I've made $300,000 in commissions with another opportunity, which was a high ticket commission system. I made thousands of dollars with other programs. Why? Because I just don't stick to one thing. All right. I join different programs. You just don't know where you're going to become lucky and you're going to crush it. All right. So the link is going to be in the description box below this video. If you have questions, let me know. All right. And don't forget to give me a thumbs up, man. Don't forget to share this video. And don't forget to subscribe to my YouTube channel. It will be appreciated. See you in the next video.